Welcome home. Looking for a large home with land, saltwater INGOUND pool, 2-car attached garage, 2-car carport, and a man cave/workshop? You just found it. New roof and new vinyl low-E Argon filled UV windows. This home features 2 living areas and 2 dining areas, a formal living room with real hardwood floors and a den with a fireplace. The den is open to the dining area and kitchen. Remodeled kitchen with granite counter tops, huge island, dishwasher, gas stove top, microwave vent hood, double ovens and 2 pantries. Formal dining room could also be used as an office. Gigantic owner's suite with large walk-in closet, remodeled bathroom, walk-in jacuzzi tub, and separate shower. 3 more good-sized bedrooms and another remodeled bathroom. Walk outside to paradise and enjoy your saltwater pool, fire pit, and 4-hole putting area in the fenced backyard. Please